Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the 5 best wheelchair ramps that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. MABIS DMI Healthcare Portable Wheelchair Ramp. I purchased a scooter to help me get around and it folds up like a suitcase. It is 44 pounds, which doesn't sound like a lot, but when you are 61 years old light things seem heavy. I needed to lift it and put it in the back of my SUV, but a 44 pounds deadlift is not easy with an arthritic back. These ramps make it much easier to roll up and down, in and out of the car. They were a great find. I worried about them being long enough to give me a more gentle incline and fitting into my car. They extend from 3 feet to 5 feet so I have no trouble laying them across the back of my trunk area. At number 4. Curb Ramp, Portable Poly Ramp. The Stalwart high-density polyethylene curb ramp helps to simplify the movement of hand trucks, wheeled carts, bicycles, and more over curbs or steps as high as 8 inches. The sturdy ramp has a holding weight capacity of 1,000 pounds, an impact capacity of 650 pounds, has built-in traction support on the surface and weighs less than 10 pounds so it is easily portable to take with you on the go. Satisfaction guaranteed. Stalwart is committed to providing the consumer with the absolute best price and value on all of our products, which we ensure by applying a rigorous quality control process. At number 3. Silver Spring Adjustable Wheelchair Telescoping Track Ramps. This adjustable wheelchair ramp can handle almost all of them. Its adjustable design has the ramp extending from approximately 4 feet to 7 feet long. More than enough length to handle your access issues. In addition to that, the 6-inch wide ramps come with a no-slip surface. Wheelchairs should be able to climb up these ramps without slipping back down. Easy to use push-button locks. Make sure the adjustment and the ramp lock into place. Also, you have a 600-pound weight capacity enabling you to get a variety of wheelchairs inside your home or van. The aluminum construction material keeps the ramps lightweight without sacrificing any strength or durability. These ramps are not hard to manipulate or store when not in use. At number 2. Vaughan Medical Adjustable Overbed Bedside Table. The table I received via Amazon was not what I had hoped for, so I left a review that stated the 2 things that I was not happy about with my order. Surprisingly, I received a message from the seller within a few days and they were truly concerned about how I felt as a customer. My concern was that the table's legs are brown in the photo ad but instead have a nice stainless steel look to them on the product itself, which I was sure I did not want but have found to have a nice clean look and be made with attention given to quality. Finally, at number 1. Vaunn Deluxe Bathroom Safety Toilet Rail. This is the second one I've bought. Bought the first one last year to see if it would work for us. Like the fact that I can make it spread wide for me. Very secure. Had to pad one side of the rail because I had arm surgery. Use a piece of piping foam I had around here. Working great. I am a 300-pounder and it's more than strong enough to support me. I knew I would need something like this as I was preparing for hip replacement surgery. There are several different safety rail designs available on Amazon, so I asked my husband which one he would recommend. He is heavy and has had 3 hip surgeries. He recommended this one because it appeared to be the most stable, and it would remain cleaner than the ones with bars that go under the toilet seat. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.